Many people on YouTube struggling to choose their niche. In this video, we will talk about why is it so important to choose one specific niche and how to find a niche that will be right for you and potentially make you money. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I'm helping busy moms like you to build a successful business and grow online. So what is a niche? Shortly explained, a niche is a center of your interest, a theme that your content will be around. The niche of this channel, for example, is building a successful business and growing online, especially for busy women and busy moms. The videos that you will see on this channel will be all around this topic. Why is it so important to surround your channel with niche-specific videos? Having one specific niche will give you an advantage over other YouTube creators that making just random videos. YouTube will know your audience. First and most important, it will give YouTube an idea what your channel is all about, what kind of videos you are creating, what kind of crowd to show these videos to. Also, it's important to have a specific niche because you're gonna get engaged subscribers. When you have a specific niche, your subscribers will know what they subscribed for, which means they are gonna be more engaged, likely to watch more of your videos and for longer time. They will more likely to comment and like and share, which will bring you to be very favored by YouTube algorithm. When you're uploading one video about gaming, second video about cosmetics and third video about cooking, your subscribers are gonna be really confused. They probably won't be so engaged and some of them may leave. If you want to gain subscribers that are really engaged, you better to have a specific niche. So how to find the right niche for you? I'm planning to make videos about some profitable niches out there. But right now, I just want to talk about what will help you to choose a niche that will serve you and help you to maximize your results and make some money. In this video, I want to talk about the specific criteria that will help you to choose the perfect niche for you. Criteria number one is to choose a niche that will be evergreen for you. In other words, choose a niche that you're passionate about. And I know everybody say that, and you probably heard it in other channels. It's because it's really important. I believe in long-term, evergreen, sustainable business foundation. Not to get rich overnight. You want your niche or the center of your interest to be something that in several years from now you still will be interested in making videos and content around. Of course, most of us can't really tell where we are going to be in 5 years from now. I can't. But there is something that can help you to have an idea if it's something that you're passionate about or not. When you're thinking about some kind of topic or some kind of niche, sit and write down as many video ideas as you can think of. Then after you have a big list, make it huge, make it like 100 or 150 topics. Now look at your list and be honest to yourself. Will you be passionate about making all these topics, making all these videos around this niche? Of course, you can't tell exactly, but is it something that you're excited about? This thing will help you to decide if you're really passionate about this topic. The list also will stay forever with you, and later you can make nice videos around these topics. Criteria number two to check is the volume of your potential niche. You have to find something with high volume. Whoever tells you that passion is the only thing you should care about, probably wrong. In my opinion, you should combine your passion or something that's evergreen for you with the high volume. Because even if you make videos about something that's amazing and really important to you, if nobody search for it, nobody will find your videos. So especially in the beginning, you want to make sure that your niche is searchable, it have high volume, and it's something that people are really need, something that people are really search for. Also, if it's something that's searchable, every video you're gonna make, you get a little bit more and more subscribers, a little bit more and more views. And this is a really good motivation for you. It's very discouraging to make video after video, to put all this hard work, edit, upload, optimize, and then you see nothing is moving, nothing is growing because your niche is not searchable and because nobody really looking for it. It's really hard. I don't say you can't succeed with that. You probably can long term, but the beginning will be really hard, and you have to think about that. Success is like snowball. When you get more and more, you want more and more, and it's just about to hitting this little point when your traction is starting, and then you put all your efforts to this and you'll see how it grows. Now, the third criteria you want to think about when choosing your niche is the CPM. And this will give you an idea of how much you're gonna get if or when you decide to monetize your videos for YouTube ads. And why is it so important? Let's say it's not the most important thing, but you should definitely consider that when you decide on your niche. For example, for 1,000 views on video about cosmetics, if you get $1 or $2, in a niche about money or make money, you can get for the same 1,000 views $4, $5, and sometimes even $30. That's a big difference. It's not supposed to be your main goal. And if you think about something that is very low CPM, that's fine. If it's something that you like, you're passionate about, evergreen for you, it's something that has high search volume, go for it. But if you can find something that combines the three of those, your passion, high search volume, and high CPM, you found the gold. If you decide to go with low CPM niche, that's totally fine. It's just something that you have to be strategic about and think how can you make money other ways than just relying on ad revenue. There's many ways you can make money online, and you don't have to rely on the CPM criteria or ads revenue, but it's something that you have to think about ahead and be very strategic about. Criteria number 4 is competition. Most of us afraid of competition. We don't like competition, but competition is actually a good thing. A competition is something that you want to have. The only thing that you have to consider when you're thinking about competition is the high quality, big, huge channels that you look at. Can you compete with that? The way to check this criteria, type your potential niche in the search box in YouTube. Then you'll see all the huge channels that makes video about. Write down some of their biggest titles, some of their biggest videos. Now go again to YouTube search box and type the name of one of their videos in the search box again. YouTube will give you same big channels, but also YouTube will show you smaller channels. Look at those channels, analyze them. Don't compete yet with the huge titans. You can compete with smaller channels. Now, the things you have to look at, the video quality, the content quality, characteristic, how they make their videos, what topics they make the videos about, the design, and all these things. Look at yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, am I willing to dedicate myself and do whatever it takes to get to the level of those channels in reasonable time? And as a busy mom, I know it is hard to compete with some channels because you can't upload quality content every day when you have kids running around, when you have house management on your shoulders, or when you're working full-time job and you're just trying to start new online business. So I know it can be really hard. So you have to be really truthful with yourself and to decide if you are willing to dedicate yourself to get to this level in reasonable time. If you are willing to do that, give yourself a check on these criteria because you are ready, girl. So let's summarize what we were talking about in this video. We were talking about 4 criteria that you have to think about while choosing your niche. Combining the 3 of those will help you to find and understand if this is something that you are ready for, if this niche will serve you and maximize your results in growing online business. The criteria you have to think about is, will it be evergreen for you? In other words, is this niche something that you're passionate about? The second thing is the search volume about this niche. And the third thing is, what is the CPM about your niche? When combining all these 3 criteria, you can find the golden spot for you. something that will hit the 3 of criteria and will be your niche. If you want more content like that and watch more videos like that, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. If you got value from this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.